Hi, everyone. Sure hope you're having a great Thursday. We've seen rounds of showers, a few thunderstorms, and still that risk is going to continue throughout the day today as this trough of low pressure swings its way out into the area. And through the day on Friday, it's going to be overhead, and that's going to drop our temperatures just a little bit. But remember, the Storm Prediction Center has us under a level 1 risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. The bullseye is going to be across the Ohio Valley, West Virginia, Kentucky, and Virginia, all associated with this low pressure that's swinging its way on through. And that's what's going to continue to spark off those showers and thunderstorms. Some of these storms could become strong to severe. Damaging winds will be the main threat, but isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. And the possibility of upwards of ½ inch diameter hail can't be ruled out with some of these storms as well. Then we'll quiet down as we get into our Friday, with maybe a couple of showers across upper East Tennessee Friday afternoon and Friday evening. The other side of the story is the wind field. It's going to be rather breezy and gusty for the rest of the day today. The winds relax tonight, and then the winds come back for the day tomorrow. Again, we'll bring it down to the local level here in just a moment. So we do have widespread wind advisories around much of the region. Everyone's getting rain pretty much today. The rain fades away tomorrow. We're dry through the weekend and the start of next week, not to mention much warmer. So we are looking at much warmer weather on the way. So to bring it home locally, we do have that level 1 risk for strong to severe thunderstorms by the Storm Prediction Center, saying isolated in nature, but strong storms are possible. So we've seen some thunderstorms already. As we go from noon to 3, we're going to continue to see that fetch of moisture moving in from the south and southwest. So a couple of these showers and thunderstorms may produce some smaller hail, some lightning, and some strong gusty winds. But as we get into the afternoon and evening, anytime between about 2 and 5 or 6 o'clock here tonight, this is the energy I'm going to be watching closely for the chance for severe storms. And so watch out as we get closer to 5, 6, 7 o'clock here tonight as the troughs actually swings its way into the area. So we're going to hang on to the rain showers for this evening commute, dinner, and bedtime. We'll have a few scattered showers as the winds begin to shift to the westerly and northwesterly direction overnight tonight. And tomorrow's going to be, again, a mostly dry day. And that will likely have a little bit of patchy fog developing early Friday morning. Something to keep in mind if we have those clearing skies in place. But through the day on Friday, we're going to continue to see those clouds kind of creep on in. Now, we still, as the low tracks its way on out of here, still a little bit of energy that's going to ride its way through the atmosphere. So the clouds will be filling back in throughout the day on Friday, and upper East Tennessee may get clipped by a few scattered showers before the day is over. But when you're looking at total rainfall, we're looking at anywhere from 1/3 of an inch to over an inch of rain. It kind of depends on how many rounds of rain you actually see in your community, which could lead to some localized flooding or flash flooding concerns. The Weather Prediction Center has put us under a level 1 risk for some localized flooding, so something to keep in mind. So not only do we have a level 1 risk for strong to severe thunderstorms, but a level 1 risk for the potential for isolated flooding concerns as well. The winds are going to be cranking here in the valley, but even higher winds expected across the mountains. Now, the National Weather Service has canceled that high wind warning for the mountains, but temperatures with that southerly flow is going to help to boost those temps into the 70s. And we're going to see those showers and thunderstorms into the evening hours, and we'll drop into the mid-50s by 10 o'clock tonight. Take a little dip of those temperatures on Friday, thanks to that trough moving in overhead, and then we rebound really quickly into the weekend. Saturday is going to be great. Sunday is going to be better. And if you like those 80s, we're going to be in the low to mid-80s as we get into the start of next week. And the coldest morning coming through on Saturday morning down to 45 degrees. Other than that, morning lows are going to be in the 50s and the 60s. So highlighting that weekend forecast, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the low 70s, beautiful on Saturday, but even better weather if you're wanting to get out maybe on the lakes on Sunday. It's going to be a nice pattern. And this trend may actually continue all the way through the 21st and maybe all the way up to the 25th of the month. So we'll see how that all plays out. By the way, track these storms for the rest of the afternoon with us with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's easy to do so. It's 100% free. Just search East TN Weather, all one word. It's everything you need for East Tennessee weather. You got your daily forecast, 7-day forecast, day parts. But the interactive radar on a day like today is going to be your greatest asset because it not only goes in the past and shows you a 2-hour past rainfall, or forecast anyways, the rain moving its way through, but it also shows you a future cast of the radar as well, which gives you a good idea. Hey, listen, if it's pouring out right now, maybe I'll hold off. Let's see what the radar shows us, and it'll give you a 2-hour future cast. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox. Have a great day.